Machine downtime is frustrating, and it really hurts productivity. When you have a problem with equipment, you want it fixed right now. Fortunately, you can get the help you need quickly and easily from Rockwell Automation Remote Support Services. All it takes is a phone call. If the problem involves a complex or unfamiliar issue, it's often more easily resolved with a remote support person actually seeing your machine. The Live View Support tool makes that possible. Using an augmented reality application with live video feed, an experienced technician can view your equipment in real time and provide specific detailed directions for repairing Allen Bradley products. 3D spatial notations can be made on the screen, so you know exactly which component of the machine needs attention. Thorough instructions can be immediately carried out, helping reduce downtime and frustration. And sometimes, a conversation with tech support isn't required. You just need fast, easy access to the right instructions. Not the full manual, just the instructions you want. That's the time to access our Digital Assist library. Quickly find the digital work instructions you need and follow the step-by-step directions. Augmented reality provides detailed images of the work being done, so you can easily follow along. And both Live View Support and Digital Assist library are included in a standard Tech Connect contract. Make augmented reality your plant floor reality for a modern, simplified approach to improving productivity.